Hello everyone. Currently, life event videos of cats are trending on YouTube with millions of views. Today I'm going to show you how to create one of these amazing videos step by step. I'll guide you through every process, from generating images and animating them to turning them into a full video using AI tools. Step 1. The first step is to use ChatGPT to create a perfect prompt for generating a life event cat image. I have a prepared prompt. Now we'll copy it and paste it into ChatGPT to get started. Here's the prompt we've written. We'll now send it to ChatGPT. Step 2. Next, we go to PicLumen and upload our prompt to generate the images. It's very simple. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, turn on 2 image generations and paste the prompt. Now we'll generate the images and wait for them to be ready. Here we have the final images. They look amazing and now we can download them. Step 3. Now we head over to Kling.ai and sign up if needed. Then go to the image to video section. Upload the images and add animation prompts. Once we've done that, click the Generate button to start the animation process. Animation is now in progress. We just have to wait for the video to be ready. Now the animation is done and we can download the video. Step 4. Now we move to CapCut, where we import the animated videos. Here we will do video editing, cutting, adding sound effects, and transitions. Let's complete the editing process and finalize the video. Here is the final video ready to go live. That's it. Today we used AI tools to bring a life event cat video to life. You can easily create these types of videos too, and I hope this guide was helpful.